In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the PyTorch library in your VS Code. So in order to install the PyTorch library, you need to head on to the terminal of your Visual Studio's Code and you need to type in the following command, which is pip install torch, torchvision, and torchaudio. So these three are separate dependencies of the PyTorch, and depending upon the code, these three are the most suitable and most used in coding. So once you have typed in the following command, simply hit the enter button and wait for the installation process to initiate. And here you can see that the downloading of these various packages has started, and once the downloading has finished, we will see whether the library has been installed or not. And here you can see this message which says successfully installed Torch version 2.6.0, Torch Audio version 2.6.0, and Torch Vision version 0.21.0. And also there are some equipped libraries as well which come with this library. So that's how you can install the PyTorch for your Visual Studio's Code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.